everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be having a chat. I think this is going to be maybe the last video in the series about makeup brands, but today I'm going to talk about how I feel about those controversial makeup brands. So some of these are cruelty-free, some are not, but I'm just going to ignore the cruelty-free part and talk about the brands. So I did a video about Tarte talking about them, so I don't get drag on too much about that, but so there's brands like Jeffree Star, Lime Crime, Z Palette. I'm trying to think of other ones that are kind of causing trouble. Some ones I can think of right now, so I'll just talk about those. So basically the biggest thing in here, I don't know if anybody else has kind of noticed, but I support Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I mean, like Jeffree Star Cosmetics and not Lime Crime. So the thing with Jeffree Star, okay, number one, his products are probably the best on the market. Like liquid lipsticks, I don't have anything else from him, but his liquid lipsticks are hands down probably some of the best on the market. I mean, like him and like Kat Von D liquid lipsticks are kind of really close, but for me I prefer Jeffree Star ones. And I've heard nothing but good things about his eyeshadows and stuff, which I really want to try, but anyways, so people are upset with Jeffree Star himself, not necessarily his brand, because he said some racist things in the past and all that crap that I wasn't really, that was like 9-10 years ago, so, and he has really, I think, made improvements. He has proven over and over again that was in the past, and now, you know, he made a video speaking out about Tarte, and he's working with Dior to expand their Air Flash shade range. He's working on, I think he said he's going to have like 30-some shades of concealers or foundations in his brand. He's got highlighters for every skin tone. Like that, I think he has vastly improved beyond, you know, what he was in the past. And like, I have seen a couple of bigger beauty gurus just stop using his stuff because people were literally giving them death threats over using his products, and I think that's not right. You know, he has changed as a person. People don't want to see it. So yeah, I still support Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I really want the Blood Sugar palette, but it's quite expensive and I really don't want to get nasty comments over using his products. I try not to use his liquid lipsticks too much in videos. But then there is the thing with Lime Crime. So if you haven't heard about that or you're trying to stay away from it, basically their owner was caught like dressing up as a Nazi or something, and then a bunch of stuff blew up around that. Their site was hacked. They were caught using unsafe ingredients, like non-FDA approved, like dangerous stuff in their products. And because of that, because that's relating specifically to the brand itself doing bad things, I don't want to support them. I remember like way back in the day, Jaclyn Hill was talking about their bullet lipsticks, and I thought they looked so cute and I wanted them. But I never got around to buying them, and then I'm glad I didn't because of all this stuff that's, you know, kind of surfaced, which that was old news like a couple years ago. I think people have kind of moved on from that because Lime Crime is kind of coming out with new products. People are still using them. So, I don't know, I wouldn't support Lime Crime. They are cruelty-free, but they just don't sit right with me, so. And then about Z Palette, so I'm not going to pretend to know exactly what's going on with them, but basically they made some nasty comments to people online, and I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy from them anyways because they are really expensive, and I think there's a brand, it's a Colored Rain, that has the magnetic palettes. Like, they have a huge one that holds like 96. Even if I did, I don't buy single eyeshadows anyways, so I don't really need that. And I actually made my own Z palette type of thing from Hobby Lobby. I got a little metal tin pencil case and some magnet, like stick-on magnet things, and put them in there and made my own. but then ended up not using it, so I threw it away. So yeah, I probably wouldn't buy a Z palette just because, I mean, unless I somehow got like a bunch of single eyeshadows, I probably wouldn't use anything like that. And there are some brands on Etsy that are making those kind of palettes too, so I probably would check those out before Z palette anyways. Also, Kat Von D is another controversial brand. I don't know what it is, people have it out for Kat Von D. Like, every time she names a product, people nitpick and come up with stuff to, like, try to take her down, so to speak. And it just happened, I was watching What's Up in Makeup from Jen Loves Reviews, and people were, like, trying to sue Kat Von D Beauty for coming out with the basket case eyeliner, saying that it was offensive to people with mental illness. Like, she named it after a Green Day song. Like, how can you... And just like they had the Celebritard lipstick, which I didn't even think that name was offensive because, like, the T-A-R-D, that's a French, I don't know what the name for it is, but that's like a lot of French words have that T-A-R-D pronounced tear, not tard, like retard, I don't know. And then, but the only one that I can kind of see is that people were getting mad about the underage red color, but, you know, whatever. Like, people just want to throw her under the bus for everything, I don't know why. And she had a feud with Jeffree Star and all that crap, and people are saying she was racist. I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna stay out of that one. Yeah, so I think you just need to decide for yourself what brands you want to support and which brands you don't, and then don't come after people for using those brands. Like, people can buy whatever they want, you know. Like, sending death threats to somebody is not okay over what kind of makeup that they use, you know what I mean? Like, you don't see me or any other vegan people, like, threatening people for using MAC or Revlon or whatever, so, you know. Anyways, that was it for this video. It was kind of rambly, but hopefully you can kind of see where I'm coming from with these brands. Also, I did want to mention, I completely forgot, there's a brand called LA Splash. They are famous for their liquid lipsticks, and I don't support them anymore because I purchased some liquid lipsticks from them, which I didn't even like anyways because they were like extremely sticky, and they also leaked, like the packaging leaked, and my credit card information was stolen off their website, so yeah, I'm not buying from them anymore just because of that. I mean, maybe if they were like ever sold, well, I don't know, I didn't like the liquid lipsticks anyways, so no, I probably wouldn't buy from them anymore anyways, so anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.